Magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. Bago ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Today, tunghayan lang po natin sandali ang Facebook and Instagram ni Chelsea. After the coronation, Chelsea Manalo has 72,000 followers on her Facebook page. A month after, she have gained 2,000 followers. Now it is on 74,000. I wish she could go up to 500,000 at least. So please follow Chelsea Manalo on Facebook and on her Instagram account. After the coronation, she had 218,000 followers. Now she's up to 220,000 followers. My wish is the same as the Facebook. I wish she can have at least 500,000 followers. So please follow Chelsea Manalo. I'll put the link down on the comment box below. Salamat po.